welcome back everyone. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Oluchi Lloyd. If you're new here, don't forget to click that place where it's written subscribe, like the video, share, and also feel free to ask questions, and also feel free to leave me your comment below. All this why I know it's been very long. I've never do video like this. I'm just be busy doing so many things. So guys, I'm just gonna show you guys how I achieve this nails. This is stick on nails. Let me show you guys so that you can see. This is stick on. Some people call it yeah, it's stick on, and I don't know what they call it elsewhere. Okay, now this is stick on nails. So what I did here is like I bought this nail. Probably when you go to remove, there's the one I did before. I just remove it, and it's inside this video as well. I'm gonna play the video to show you guys. So when I bought this one, I bought it is a stick on nails, is inside. I've used some of it. So I use glue, and also how I do soak off, how I soak the acrylic one I did, how I soak it off, and also how I'll now, you know, achieve this particular one that you guys are seeing here the way I did it. I know if we go to salon, probably I don't know how much it's gonna cost in the country where you are. There's no way I will not pay maybe $10 or $15 or $20. I don't know how much nails, or I don't know, but one is gonna take my time to go to salon to waste, and instead of sitting one place in the salon for 2 or 3 hours, I said, okay, let me do it myself. This is the outcome of it. So go and watch the video, and see how I do these nails for myself in my house, my comfortable home. So here we go, guys. Here, this is a funnel to wrap after I put the acetone, and here is the stick on nails, and here I'm gonna be having my glue. This is glue to help the nail to stay, and this is the acetone, and here is scissors. So what I have to do here is like these nails now, I'm gonna cut it with the scissors to help me to soak it out very quick. I just go. The nail is already falling off. That is the reason why I decided to, you know, remove it. So I'm just gonna cut. This is gonna help the nails to dissolve very quick. It's gonna help the soak off. So I go this way. You can do this in your house without going to salon and spend money to soak it off if you have a lot of time. But for me, going to salon now, maybe there will be another client, there will be another customers, there will be another client, you know, waiting for the other person to finish. After waiting maybe like 30 minutes, so that 30 minutes you can't even do this for 30 minutes if you have all the materials to take it off. What's the point? So if you have all the materials to take it off, you just have to do it on your own to save time. Okay, I think that one is feeling stubborn to come out, so I will use the acetone to remove the nail, and this is cotton wool. So the cotton wool, here we go, and what I have to do here is to soak it. Let me check a little bit. There is 2 ways how I normally used to dissolve my acrylic nails. 2 ways, guys. So the 2 ways is like, I like to, sometimes I will use this particular thing too. Acetone is very strong. So what I do here, let me just wrap it on. So guys, you can do this way to close it up and wait for some time. Okay, sometimes you wait or you soak it inside, you just soak it. But for me, the fastest way on how I do you know, do my own silk off is, let me show you guys what I do. I normally use, let me take some acetone. I have to close it proper before. So what I do, I dissolve like this. This one is the, for me, it's the fastest way for me. I'll show you guys now how I use so now I go this way. Okay, what I have to do now, I have to take more acetone. I think will be, this one will be the last one. So let me file it a little bit to make it easier. So guys, if you want this to be very quick, you have to file the nails a little bit. I think it's gonna help the nail to dissolve. So guys, before I will now go ahead to place the stick-on nails, this is what I have to do here. Okay, I'll take it up later. So this is the nail that I will be putting on. Let me cover this thing. Yeah, this is the nail here. This nail already have I think it have its own let me remove this thing for you guys to see. I think the nail have its own glue on the inside. The nail have its own glue. So what I have to do now is to remove it from the package. Okay, this is the package. So what I have to do now is to check my size. I have to check my size one after the other. I'm gonna just start from the big one. The big one is this big tone. So I go here Can you guys see? So what I will do here is to take this push to make sure the thing balance very well. Okay, so and this size, I really like the size. I really like the size of this nail, guys. I like the size. It's not long, it's normal. So let me go to the this is the glue. All I have to do is just to go this way, put it at the nail. If you don't want to put at the nail, let me just put it, because you know I just file it. So now also go here